생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 가이드 투어를 예약하거나 오디오 가이드를 요청할 때
Hi, do you offer guided tours here?
Yes, we have both group and private tours available.
I'm interested in a private tour. Can I still join one today?
Yes, you can join the 2 p.m. session. The meeting point is by the main statue.
How long is the tour duration?
About 90 minutes, including interactive activities.
Do you provide a device or headset during the tour?
Yes, we'll give you a device with audio narration and explanations in multiple foreign languages.
Is there a deposit required for the device?
Yes, we ask for a $10 deposit, which is returned after the tour.